from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen, and today we are cooking a struggle meal, aka beef tips. Listen, if this is your first time here, like, subscribe, share, do all of that good old stuff. Don't pay attention to what's in the refrigerator. It was a grocery day, okay? So don't pay attention to what's in the background either, because I had to go to the market and get some stuff, but I hadn't completed it yet. Okay, there's watermelon over there. Don't pay no mind. I let these things marinate in the kitchen, in the refrigerator, for probably about an hour or so. Got some maple Smokehouse Maple and some black pepper. That's all I seasoned it with. Okay, now listen, you're not gonna see the gravy be made in this video. That's because it's Heinz gravy. Okay, make sure you doctor it up. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Doctor it up. Still got my virgin olive oil. Okay, and remember, guys, the recipes are always in the description. So if you want to know what everything that I use to make this, it's in the description. Okay, so basically, let it sit. I'm bringing this over. I'm feeling a little not so happy because it's just the way things are going. Okay, I'm not happy at all. All right, it's just I don't know what to do. But this is a struggle meal. So this is a struggle meal day. Boom, there we go. Just throw them in the pan, and want that bad boy do his thing. It's gonna cook down. Okay, simple, easy, nothing to this. Good old 30 minutes or less meal. I'm not gonna show you the rice, and the rice is being cooked as well. But as you can tell, you see the color is different. You have to doctor this bad boy up just so that you can get a good flavor. Okay, like I say, this is a struggle meal. Oh my God, is that bacon over there? Is the bacon going to go into the, I don't know, is the bacon going to go in there? Is the bacon? Read the description, look at the recipe, and see what it says. Okay, but listen, this is a struggle meal. There's nothing to this. You got your beef tips. They were in the bottom of the freezer. I grabbed them, seasoned them up, marinated them for about an hour. Like I said, got the Heinz gravy that was in the pantry. You put it in here, doctored it up. Like I say, check the description for the recipe to know how I doctored up the gravy. And voila, there you go. That's it. Beef tips and rice. Not much to it. But thanks for tuning in. And this is Voices from the Kitchen. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.